And there she goes. First time on the Massapequa Preserve path. She's fast. I think Mommy needs a scooter too. Shannon's so fast. Shannon is so fast. See, they got scooters too. All right, we found scooter friends. Have a great day.
Gavin, wait.
Well, we're exploring. We're off the path here in the preserve with Shannon, her helmet, and her scooter, Mommy and Daddy. Say hi to the camera, everybody. Hi. Shannon, hi. Shannon's got a walking stick. She's going to take us on a little trail.
Let's go.
All right, Shannon, show us the way. All right, Shannon, show us the way. Shannon, good job. You found wood for the fireplace later.
Make sure there's no chicken.
Yeah, no termites.
No termites in it. Yuck! Look. Yuck!
Good job, Shannon. Yay! Yay! No! Watch out! Mommy! Mommy! No, don't hit Mommy! Don't hit Mommy! Stop! Hey, hey, Shannon, no! Hey, hey! And Mommy going off trail exploring. They found a creek. Honey, be careful with her. As you can see, Shannon is like a true outdoors woman. Already trying to catch fish with her stick. Way to go, Shannon Jane. Shannon Jane!
Up goes Daddy. You should see all this stuff.
Daddy's now going off the trail. Whoa! Shannon Jane! She's fishing.
You fishing, Shannon?
Good job, ladies. Uh-oh, what's that? Wildlife.
Shannon, did you catch anything?
Shannon's fishing. Catch us dinner, Shannon. Careful, honey. All right, we're on the second part of this amazing journey. We're hiking through this uncharted area. Amazing stuff. Amazing. All the animals.
Don't move! Don't move!
Shannon Jane, you got us on a great trail here.
Again, don't.
Right, Shannon's got us off-road again. This is like a amazing adventure Shannon Jane has us on.
Careful with the tree.
Right, go over. Yay, Shannon!
Oh, you have my phone? Then too late. Where's the bird? You heard the bird?
Here, Shannon, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get her, get her.
Hold the tree. You got her?
Yeah.
Look forward.
There's the duckies. No. Be nice to them. Don't walk them with your stick.
Hey, girls. Hey.
No, the cheese though. There's cheese in it. And that's it.
Throw it to the swan, Shani. Honey, throw it to the white one. The swan. Go to the white one. Careful. Yay, good job, Shannon. Yeah, we got a whole operation going on here. Whoa, mommy, whoa, mommy. Whoa. Whoa, mommy. That's crazy. Mommy's being crazy. Yeah. Whoa! nice and fun. She would take a step back.